Welcome to our channel today. We will guide you through fixing common BNY Mellon login errors efficiently and effectively. Welcome to our channel today. We will guide you through fixing common BNY Mellon login errors efficiently and effectively. First, begin by checking your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable and strong network, because sometimes login failures occur due to poor internet connectivity. Next, ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double-check for any accidental spaces or case-sensitive issues, as these are common sources of login errors. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password option on the login page. To reset it securely once your credentials are confirmed, clear your browser cache and cookies. To do this, open your browser settings, find Privacy Options, and select Clear Browsing Data. Sometimes stored cookies or cache interfere with the login process. After clearing data, restart your browser and try logging in again. If the problem persists, try using a different browser. Sometimes browser compatibility issues cause errors, so switching browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge can help. Also, disable any VPN or proxy connections if you are using them, since they may interfere with authentication servers. Ensure your browser is updated to the latest version. Outdated browsers can create security conflicts, preventing access. Another tip is to temporarily disable browser extensions, as some may block scripts needed for login. Try logging in from a private or incognito window. This mode disables extensions and cached data which might be causing issues. If none of these steps work, check BNY Mellon's service status online to see if there is a server outage or maintenance ongoing. Last resort is contacting BNY Mellon customer support. They can provide tailored assistance and ensure your account access is restored safely. Always prioritize password security during this process and never share your login details with untrusted sources. These practical troubleshooting methods will help you regain quick access to your BNY Mellon account safely. Remember to follow these steps carefully for best results and stay patient during the process. Thanks for watching, and now don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful guides.